I hear it all the time on social media. Quit your 9 to 5, be your own boss. And sure, that is a great dream. But let us be real for a second. Having a boring W-2 job is still better than having no job. But here is the scary truth. If you make $100,000 a year, but you spend $100,000 a year, you are actually just as broke as the person with no job. This is where most young people get trapped. They think the job is the solution. No, the job is just the funding source. The solution is financial literacy. You can have the best W-2 income in the world, but without a budget, it's like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in the bottom. You aren't building a future. You are just financing a lifestyle. You need to flip the script. Do not look at your paycheck as spending money. Look at it as seed money. Your goal is to create a gap. The difference between what you earn and what you spend. That gap, that is your freedom. That is what you invest. That is what compounds. So do not hate your W-2 job. Use it. Abuse it. Take that steady paycheck, budget strictly, and pour the savings into assets that grow. It is not about how much you make. It is about how much you keep. Build your foundation, then buy your freedom. Follow for more on the path to financial freedom.